Hello friends, in today's video we are going to see program for inserting a node at nth position in a linked list. So this is the function which we have created to insert a node at nth position in a linked list. It has three parameters: data, pos and size. Data is the thing which we will be inserting in the nodes, which we will be inserting in the linked list. Okay, that is temp.data part. Position, pos, it denotes the position at which we want to insert the node, and what is the size? It represents the size of the linked list. So if you remember, there were total 4 cases. That is, if position is smaller than 1, second one if position greater than size plus 1, third one if at first position, and fourth one was if we want to insert a node at any other position except first one. Okay, valid position. So in first case 1 and case 2, as these were wrong input, we need to convey a message to the user that they have given a wrong input, please give a valid one. So this is what we are doing here, that we are printing to the user that it is an invalid input, and after that we are returning because we don't want this part to execute. Okay, so this is our case 1 and case 2. So what remains? Case 3 and case 4. In both the case, we really want to insert a node. These are not our error cases, either as first position or any other valid position. So in both the cases, we will have to first create a node which we will insert. So in this line, what I am doing, using malloc function, I am creating a node and I am having a temp1 pointer pointing to that particular node. That is, this is our temp1 pointer, and this is a node which we have created using malloc function, and this temp1 pointer will be pointing at the starting address of this node. So what I will do, temp1 data part equal to data. So suppose it is a two part, data and link. So now we will fill data part, and this link part will be pointing to some null address. Okay, for the time being. Now see what I am doing here. I am checking if position is equal to 1. That is, I want to check whether user want to insert this node at first position. If user want to insert this node at the first position, we will execute these two lines of code. So first understand what we need to do in this case. If user want to insert a node at first position, let's take example of linked list having 4 nodes. This is pointing to null. This is our n1, this is n2, this is n3, and this is n4, and I am having a head pointer which will be pointing to the address of n1. So what we need to do, we need to somehow make this temp1.link part point to the starting address of n1 and head point to this one, this new node which we have created. Okay, so how can we do that? To do that, we will execute these two lines of code. That is, temp1 link part will be equal to head. So what will happen here? What does head contain? Suppose this node was start at memory address 100. So what will be there in head? Head will contain 100. Now what will happen? Temp1 link part will be equal to 100. It will be 100 here, and this node will start to point at node 1. Now what will happen in next line? Head is equal to temp1. So what will happen here? Suppose this temp is starting from memory address 200. So now head will contain, that is, here we will have 200, and head will start pointing to the node temp1. And this link will be broken. So if you see, we have created a link from head to temp1 and from here to n1. So we have successfully inserted a node at first position in this linked list. Now see the final case. What is our final case? Inserting a node at any other position in the linked list, that is valid position. So to do that, our first task will be to traverse inside the linked list and to reach at a point from where we will be able to manipulate the pointers so that this node will be inserted. That is node temp1. For that I am creating another pointer which I will use to traverse inside the linked list, and that pointer is temp2 and it will contain what is there in head. This is our node 1, this is our node 2, this is our node 3 and this is our node 4 and this is pointing to null. So let's try to insert a node at third position. This is our head. Head points to this one, and in this line what we are doing, temp2 equal to head. Suppose the starting address of node 1 is head, node 1 is 100, then head will contain 100, okay, and in this line we will put 100 in temp2 so that temp2 will also start to point n1. Now see what we are doing here. We are just traversing inside the linked list. Now what is this? Pos minus 2. Suppose we want to insert a node at third position. Then how will this for loop work? This for loop will run from, for I equal to 0, I is smaller than 3 minus 1, 3 minus 2, that is 1, I plus plus. So this for loop will run for 1 times, and this temp2 will reach here. That is, this temp2 will start pointing to n2. So this is our n1, this is our n2. Now this temp2 will point to n2. This is our n3, this is n4, and it is pointing to some null address. So we want to insert this node between node 2 and node 3. Okay. Now see what this line is doing. This is temp1, this is its length part, this is its data part. So temp1 link part, using this we will be able to access link part of this particular node. Temp2 dot link will be equal to temp1 dot link will be equal to temp2 dot link. So what is temp2? Temp2 points at starting position of node 2. So temp2 dot link will be the link part of node 2, and what link part of node 2 contain? Address of n3. So this temp2 dot link will start to point to n3 in this line. What will happen in next line? Temp2 link part. Temp2 link part is the link part of node 2, and the temp2 dot link part is pointing to temp1, and now this link part will be broken. So in these two lines I have manipulated these 3 pointers so that node 2 will start to point to this particular node which we have created, and this particular node will start to point to node 3. So this is all I have for the program for inserting a node at nth position in a linked list. Okay friends, so in next video we will see how to delete a node at nth position in a linked list. If you have liked this video, then please like, share and subscribe, and thanks for watching.